When one of us wants to change something big, it can feel impossible.
But if we all make a small change, we can make a huge impact together.
It's clear we need to think differently to find solutions to climate change. It's a problem that none of us can solve on our own.
But since we created this problem together, one little thing at a time, that's exactly how we're going to solve it.
We started 10 Tree to inspire people to do little acts that help the environment. When you buy one item, we plant 10 trees. It's that simple.
Together, we've planted over 30 million trees. Our goal is to plant 1 billion trees by 2030.
We're working towards becoming the most environmentally progressive apparel brand in the world by using renewable and sustainable fabrics. We're each one person, but together our actions can be profound. So take a stand. One person can't shift an entire industry, but one person can make a positive impact.
One person can wear their values on their sleeve. One person can plant the seeds of change.
And together, we can all watch them grow.